Welcome to Tech Talk Chronicles, where we dive deep into the world of technology, tools, and innovations that shape our digital landscape. Today, we're unpacking an incredibly useful utility that many tech enthusiasts might not be familiar with, or if they are, they might not be using it to its full potential. Let's talk about Rufus, the reliable USB formatting utility. Now, you might be asking, what exactly is Rufus? Well, Rufus is a tool designed to format and create bootable USB flash drives, and it's packed with features. Imagine you're trying to install a new operating system or create a bootable drive for recovery. You need something dependable, right? That's where Rufus comes in. It supports a wide variety of formats like FAT, NTFS, and exFAT, among others. Whether you're trying to create a bootable DOS USB drive or setting up for UEFI, Rufus has got your back. And there's more. It can even create Windows 11 installation drives for those PCs that don't have TPM or Secure Boot enabled. How neat is that? So let's explore some of its standout features a little more. One of them is the ability to create bootable drives from ISO images. Think of your favorite Linux distro or even a Windows installation ISO. What I find fascinating is that you can also create these bootable drives from compressed disk images. This can really save you some time and storage space. All right, but here's where it gets even more interesting. Rufus also offers something called persistent Linux partitions. For those who may not know, this means you could run a Linux distribution off a USB drive, and any data or applications you use will persist even after you unplug it. It's like having a portable OS. And for the security-conscious among you, Rufus can compute checksums like MD5 and SHA-256 to validate your images, ensuring that you have a trustworthy file. Ever had to deal with a faulty USB drive? Rufus can perform bad block checks, helping you spot those pesky fake drives that don't live up to their supposed capacity. Now, I have to say, the user experience is pretty smooth too. The interface is modern and supports about 38 languages, making it accessible for many users around the globe. Plus, it's portable. You don't even need to install it. Just download and run. Talk about convenience. Speaking of downloading, Rufus also lets you snag official Microsoft Windows ISOs easily, including Windows 8, 10, and 11. It's a one-stop shop for creating those crucial installation media. So here's a question to ponder. With all these features packed into Rufus, why do you think many people still turn to more complex tools or even avoid USB booting altogether? Is it a knowledge gap or maybe some intimidation from the tech aspects? What are your thoughts? As we wrap up this segment, just remember, whether you're creating a bootable USB drive for work, recovery, or just for personal experiments, Rufus is your go-to tool. It's simple, effective, and best of all, it's completely free and open source. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk Chronicles, and if you enjoyed this discussion, perhaps consider diving into Rufus yourself. You might be surprised at what you can do with it. Until next time, keep exploring the tech world.